going on, guys? Justin from FLIPZCO here. We are with the DRIFTVETTE. I put a part out on Facebook and things are starting to look very, very busy for us. We have plans for wider fenders and a new hood and a new front bumper. I wasn't gonna change it cosmetically in the beginning, but making it a drift car, we wanna change a couple things. I don't wanna just drift a stock Vette. So we're going to either run some carbon or carbon Kevlar or fiberglass fenders that are a little bit wider. We're going to pop out this quarter panel. We're going to pop off this fender, the hood, and the front bumper. And I know I gave my perks regarding what I thought was really, really cool with the Corvette, and we're gonna get straight to it. I already took the fender liner out. So the fender liner, it was just these 7mm bolts that kind of went around the fender in order to get to the quarter panel. I didn't want to film some boring stuff. Still got to do the front, but I think I need to take the front bumper off. I believe these parts are going to Pennsylvania on Wednesday, so we are trying to get everything situated to the point where they can pick it up and it's ready to go, wrapped up, and safe travels. Right now we are going to start with the quarter panel and then make our way around to getting to the front end of everything. I know I have to take off all these, I think they're T15 Torx. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, some Torx right here, 1, 2, 3. And then I know I have to take the rear bumper off. So I'm gonna pop the rear bumper off, and then we can get to these quarters, pop the quarters out. So I just kind of wanted to get the liner out so I can kind of see what I was working with along the lines of inside. Looks pretty solid though. Let me get to it, and yeah. Right now Danny and Cody are going pretty in deep with the whole COD, so I don't really have help. I'm only working by myself. So
get him.
Oh my god, bro. You can't say shit like that.
You can't curse. You can't curse, man. He's so bad.
You got a date, right?
Maybe, yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna film myself. All right. So yeah, I kind of need help, but it's all good. So Danny's going on a date, so I guess we're going to have to just like switch up the angles. Jesus. Don't worry about it, man. You're going on a date. You need to stay clean. What do we need to let the people know?
You gotta let people know about the project that's going on over here. I don't know if you already told them. You probably did.
What? I already told them I sold the quarters and I sold the front fenders, the hood, and the front bumper.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Yeah, and I'm kind of trying to figure out, what do you guys think? Should we go carbon? Should we just go wider fender? Should we go Le Mans style kit? What should we do?
I think carbon.
Let's put a BN Sports 240 kit on it.
Yeah, let's not. No, definitely. I say carbon fiber. Like exposed carbon fiber.
It's not going to be called Champagne Poppy no more then.
Get rid of Champagne Poppy.
It'll be Carbon Poppy.
I like that name better.
You like poppy seeds on your bagel?
Sure.
So Danny's gonna film me. I'm gonna grab all these bolts. He's gonna also make fun of me because he doesn't think I know what I'm doing.
I think you know what you're doing.
Yes, I do.
All right, get started.
I didn't know you were good at COD.
I'm a god at COD. Oh, 22 and 9, 22 and 11, 25 and
you still
6.
died here.
Yeah,
man. This. So here's the main issue. I don't want to start breaking stuff because I really have no idea what I'm doing today. I'm kind of intrigued because it's been a while since I worked on a car. Oh, shout out merch. KANSEI wheels are now shipping.
Shout them out. Shout them out. Which one should we rock? The KMP, which is this one, or the, what is this one called? Corza? I don't know. I like the KMP.
A guy from Marketplace hit me up and he wanted to purchase these things. Wow, dude, these are sick. That's so cool how like... Interesting. So I'm taking the taillights out right now and it's same thing, T15s. Like, this is awesome. Look at that, simple, easy, pop it out.
Buy American, baby.
Yo, I think this Vette's gonna be sick. And now that things are starting to move forward,
could be ready for opening moves?
I don't know about that. I don't know about that. I got a wedding coming up. I gotta be smart here.
Come on.
Appreciate you guys subscribing though. Yo, Danny.
Yo, Danny, 17, what the hell down here?
Woo! How many deaths?
10.
Wow. That's good.
All right, so let's be real. Nothing's gonna get done with this Xbox here. It was probably the worst decision I ever done. Cody's about to buy Xbox S, a brand new.
We're gonna curse as much as we want out here.
Stay in school.
I'm a daydreamer. I keep my head in the clouds. Life's still beautiful. I'm a believer. To hell with the bullshit, baby.
God, my armpit smells. Smell good. I'm on the camera.
I'm a daydreamer. I keep my head in the clouds. Life's still beautiful. I'm a believer.
I feel like we got to take this off as well. It's either an 8 or, oh damn, this might be that 7 though too. Wild! I really have no idea what I'm doing, Danny Heats.
Sorry, everybody. Duty calls. You know how that be.
Yeah, booty calls.
Oh, booty calls.
Yeah, he's playing Call of Booty right now.
Call of booty.
Dude, look how much change I found in there.
Good luck.
Half the money that I bought the car with is right there.
That's crazy, man. That's good luck, though.
So since I don't have cubbies,
Make your own.
you just put it on the table. Okay, I know where that is.
Whoa, that was like a magic.
Gentle with not stripping these torques because it'll be a bitch to put back in and out next time. I'm still amazed on how you could take a whole quarter fender off without having to cut any metal or sand down the fender or have it re-welded or the whole 9. So that's pretty cool. We ain't mechanics, guys. We do just trial and error. You're never gonna learn nothing about cars if you don't work on a car, you know what I'm saying?
Moment of truth.
I don't know how that comes off. How did yours come off?
This?
Yeah.
What do you mean you don't know how it comes off?
What are you doing to that bumper?
I just put my whole fist in it.
It looks like you're fisting it, man. Oh. Like the Virgin Mary.
You
right?
I hope I can go through.
Look at that.
That's pretty cool. Clean this all up. Get her all cleaned up with maybe some brake spray and some Windex and some stuff. Look how grimy this stuff is over here. We need some detailed stuff. All right, so now if you guys never really want to lose anything, what you do is you put your bolts back in on where it's supposed to go, and then you should be Gucci.
All right, guys, I'm heading out. Justin's gonna continue to work on this car. What? I'm vlogging. So Justin's gonna continue to take off.
It's like having that crazy ass brother that just learned how to like do something. He just, like, dude, COD's been out for years, and this boy just learned.
Well, whose fault is that? Well, anyway, I will see you guys soon. Justin, get to it.
So it took me about 15 minutes to take off the passenger side. So the passenger side is all off. There's a sick spider in there. Scared the living bejeebus out of me. But took the rear quarters off. They were just hanging out over there. Now we are getting to the front fenders. These were already off, but there's a bolt right under here. It's a 7 mil and then a 7 mil all the way. Let's get into focus. Right here on one of those brackets. So now there's 2 7 mils in here, 1 and 2. I have to go towards the front, underneath the front bumper and over. I was gonna take the front bumper off, but it's gonna be too much of a headache to get it off, especially with the forward rack that we have over there. But we should be able to take this whole thing off, get these torques up top, and then the 2 bottoms here, and then we should be ready to go. Since I don't have Danny here, I'm just going to have to use a chair or something, and we'll just time lapse this whole nonsense. Cody's still in there yelling. Cody!
Yeah.
What's going on? You all right?
No.
I hear you screaming over there.
No, that was the worst game I've had. Probably forever.
He's addicted to COD now. The homie's addicted to COD. Would have been a lot easier if I took the front bumper off, but with this being over here, there's 2 bolts that was holding us back. It's the 7mm bolts holding the inner liner of the fender. So pop that off and it should just come right off. Now, hopefully.
Oh shit.
I'm shot already. There you go. Car's starting to look like Cody's car. It is pretty sick, so we're probably gonna get rid of this fender liner eventually. It's glued sort of awkwardly, but that's how the bumpers fix, so we're probably gonna have to just cut this right here. Cut this and then leave this for hopefully like the angle kit doesn't bother it, but if we need to take it out, we take it out and then just make like a straight bracket really quick. Obviously you can tell the headlights out. We're gonna pop the front bumper off. I'm sure that'll figure out, but I'm gonna take off the front bumper. From what I know, there's a lot of bolts on the side here. Gotta take off the fogs and just take off the front and then the bottoms, the top and the bottoms, and then we should be good to go. Final piece, we got quarters, we got the hood, front fenders, fog lights, front bumper, fender liners, and then here's the car. Starting to look like Cody's. You alright? You need a hand in there?
I don't know how to do anything but weld.
Yeah, I hear you. Thank you, sir. Oh my god, man, you're a mess. You're a mess. Get some sleep, dude. You need some sleep. Alright guys, please like, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Hit the notification bell. Later.